Hi everyone, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. This is Aishwarya. In this video, we will be showing you some semi-party wear items in cotton, chanderi and georgette fabrics. All these are available in our website. So if you like to book any of the item, kindly do log into our website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com, or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Both our website address and our WhatsApp number is given in the description box. Kindly do check it. So now let me show you the items one by one. The first item is the chanderi silk item. It's a completely digital printed chanderi silk top. This is actually one of the restocked item. Actually, we have got a very huge response, so we have again come up with this design. Okay, so the fabric is chanderi silk. On top of the chanderi silk, you will be getting complete digital printed pattern and a very beautiful yoke work. You will be getting wooden buttons and potly buttons. Okay, so this set comes with a lining as well. You will be getting cotton silk lining with this. Okay. So this is how the top will be. It's a completely digital printed chanderi silk top. You will be getting a light beige color cotton silk lining with this. This is how the top looks, and you will be getting a completely embroidered soft net dupatta with this. This is how the dupatta will be. The full dupatta has got an embroidery pattern, and you will be getting a light beige color pure cotton bottom. Okay, this is how the set looks. So this is a very soft net dupatta. This is not a rough dupatta type. It's a very soft and very comfortable dupatta. This is how the set looks. It's a chanderi silk top with a complete digital printed work, and you will be getting a cotton bottom and a completely embroidered soft net dupatta, priced only for 1075 with free shipping. We have got 4 colors in this. Actually, all looks very similar. Just the slight color variation will be there, but all comes with same color bottom and lining. Let me show you one by one. So this is this has got a kind of orange color floral pattern. Okay, so the next is you will be getting kind of a blue color floral pattern in this. I hope you could. This is the striped pattern will changes. So everything will be same. It all comes with same color bottom and lining. This is how the top will be, and you will be getting a cotton bottom. So this is the bottom. You will be getting cotton bottom, and this comes with a cotton silk lining as well. Okay, so this is how the top looks. It's a kind of a blue color pattern you will be getting with this, and this is a completely the full dupatta has got an embroidery work. I hope you could see this. Okay, the full dupatta has got a very beautiful embroidery work. This is how the set looks. Okay, very lengthy dupatta, priced only for 1075 with free shipping. So we have got 4 color combination in this. So the next is yellow. Okay, so you will be getting a different striped pattern in this. This has got an yellow color, and you will be getting a same colored bottom and lining with this. And the next has got a kind of a greenish blue color. Okay, so the pattern alone will vary, but the dupatta and bottom will be same. Okay, totally we have got 4 colors: blue, greenish blue, yellow, and orange color. Okay, all are priced only for 1075 with free shipping. It's a chanderi silk top with a cotton bottom and a soft net dupatta with a complete cotton silk lining. Okay, let's move on to the next item. Next item is again a very comfortable item. It's a rayon item. This is okay. So this is a navy blue color, not black. It's a dark navy blue color, a rayon top with a very beautiful embroidery work. I hope you could see this. The full yoke portion has got a thread embroidery work, and all these are complete printed pattern. So in this we have got different prints. Actually, everything will be same, just the small printed pattern, right? So this pattern alone will be different. Okay, that too a very minute difference will be there, but everything will be same. So this is how the top will be. It's a dark navy blue color rayon top, very soft top this is. So no need of lining also with this. You can stitch without lining itself. And this is the bottom. You will be getting a white color printed bottom, cotton bottom with this. Okay, and a white color completely embroidered. You will be getting a same color thread embroidery with this, and you will be getting a kind of a scallop work on the edges also. This is a very soft dupatta, completely embroidered chiffon dupatta. This is okay. This is how the dupatta will be. This is also a very lengthy dupatta. It's a rayon top, completely printed, but you will be getting a very beautiful thread work in the yoke portion alone. Rayon top this is, and you will be getting a printed cotton bottom and a completely embroidered chiffon dupatta, priced only for 1050 with free shipping. We have got 4 different prints in this. Everything will be same, just the small difference will be there in the prints. Okay, let's move on to the next item. The next item is a cotton item. This is again a very pretty item. It has got a very beautiful bottom actually. So this is a dark orange colored cotton top with the beautiful buttons in the yoke portion. The full top has got a kind of a floral pattern, and this comes with the printed dupatta and a bandhani printed bottom. Okay, so this is a very very pretty item. Looks very good when you stitch and wear it actually. So this is again a very rare color, kind of a rust orange color cotton top. This is how the top will be, just a printed top, very comfortable top this is, and this is the bottom you will be getting, kind of a bandhani pattern you will be getting in the bottom, same color bottom with a complete printed pattern, and you will be getting a light beige colored completely printed dupatta with the tappings on both the sides. Okay, this is how the set looks. So this is a very beautiful rust orange color, completely printed cotton top with a very beautifully printed bottom, same color bottom, and a completely printed cotton dupatta, priced only for 1050 with free shipping. We have got beautiful color combination in this. So this is rust orange. The next one is a very beautiful wine purple color. Okay, so this is a cotton top with a complete printed pattern and a very beautiful yoke work. Okay, this is how the top looks. Very very beautiful color this is, and this is the bottom you will be getting, very beautiful bottom, printed bottom you will be getting with this, and this is the dupatta, completely printed cotton dupatta. Okay, this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 1050 with free shipping. The next is dark grey, okay, kind of a bluish grey this is. So you will be getting complete printed pattern. Okay, this is how the top will be, and printed bottom. You will be getting a bandhani printed bottom with this, and a printed dupatta. So this set is priced only for 1050 with free shipping. It's a cotton top with a cotton bottom and a cotton dupatta, priced only for 1050. We do deliver all over India with free of cost. We don't have a COD option, only prepaid orders are available with us. Okay, so this is a green color, kind of a mehendi green color cotton top, completely printed cotton top with very beautiful buttons in the yoke portion. Okay, you will be getting a print on both the sides actually. Okay, the back portion has also got a print, and this is the front portion. This is also a quite thick fabric only, so lining is optional. And this is the bottom, very very beautiful bottom this is, and this is the dupatta. So this is the completely printed cotton dupatta. Okay, very lengthy dupatta also. I hope you could see the length as well. Very very lengthy fabric this is. So this is priced only for 1050 with free shipping. We have got 4 colors in this: rust orange, greyish blue, and wine purple and mehendi green. Totally 4 colors, priced only for 1050 with free shipping. Let's move on to the next item. Next item is a very beautiful georgette item. Okay, so this is how the top will be. It's a pure georgette top with a very beautiful embroidery work in the yoke portion. On top of the embroidery work, you will be getting a very beautiful pearl work as well, and Swarovski stones as well. Okay, so this is a very beautiful baby pink color this is. Okay, this is how the top will be. This set comes with the lining as well. This is how the top will be. You will be getting a completely embroidered pattern. On top of the embroidery pattern, you will be getting a pearl works, golden pearl works. Okay, so this comes with the cotton silk bottom and lining as well. Okay, so this is how the top looks, and in the daman portion you will be getting a kind of a crochet lace work as well. Okay, very pretty item this is, and this comes with the completely floral printed georgette dupatta. Okay, this is the dupatta you will be getting. The full dupatta has got a floral pattern, and in the dupatta also you will be getting a embroidery work, okay, and crochet work. The full dupatta has got a embroidery work on both the sides. So this is how the set looks. This is also a lengthy dupatta. So this set is priced only for 1090 with free shipping. We have got 4 colors in this. So this is a very beautiful pink color. Okay, the next is grey color. Okay, this is how the embroidery will be. Only in the yoke portion you will be getting the embroidery. On top of the embroidery, these are all complete pearl works, and these are all Swarovski stone works. Okay, so the fabric is georgette. So this set comes with cotton silk lining as well. So this is how the top front portion will be, and you will be getting a cotton silk bottom and lining. Okay, this is how the top looks. So this is a completely embroidered georgette, a very flowy, very comfortable party wear at a very nominal price. Okay, and this is the dupatta. You will be getting a completely floral printed. The full dupatta has got a floral printed work and embroidery work on both the sides. So this is priced only for 1090 with free shipping. So the next is very beautiful light yellow color, kind of a sandal yellow. This is how the color will be. Okay, so all these items are posted in our website, so you can directly log into the website and place your orders. Okay, so this is how the top will be. This is again a very beautiful color, kind of not dark yellow or kind of a lemon yellow type. This is a kind of a sandal and yellow combination, and this is the dupatta, fully embroidered and a digital printed georgette dupatta. Okay, priced only for 1090 with free shipping. The next is slight pista green color. Okay, so this is how the yoke portion will be. I hope you could see. All these are complete pearl work, and these are all Swarovski stone works. Only normal hand wash is recommended for this, as it has got pearl work and stone work, right? Only normal hand wash is recommended actually. This is how the top will be, and you will be getting a cotton silk bottom and lining with this. Okay, and this is the dupatta, completely embroidered and floral printed georgette dupatta. Very lengthy dupatta. This is how the set looks. So this is priced only for 1090 with free shipping. We have got 4 colors in this: pink, green, sandal yellow and grey color. Okay, all a very beautiful color, and this is priced only for 1090 with free shipping. So that's all for today. I hope you all like the collections, whatever I have shown you. So all these items are available in our website. So kindly do log into our website and start placing your orders. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye bye all.